So there was an article that came out years ago titled YouTube Stars with Millions of Fans Say They Can't Make Rent. When I read that article, my heart hurt a little bit, because these are people who've spent a lot of time creating videos, building an audience, and they aren't able to monetize that. I mean, these people have an audience in the millions and they aren't able to make a living from it. So just because you have a lot of subscribers doesn't mean you know how to make money. They're really two different skill sets. Contrast that with several people I know. They have less than 10,000 subscribers and their business is making 6 and 7 figures from it. What's the difference between a YouTube channel that makes money or not? Well, in this video, I want to share with you the top 4 ways that people make money on YouTube. So stick around because the last one I believe will make a huge difference for you. One of the most common and popular ways to make money on YouTube is through monetizing your YouTube channel. This is done when you have a YouTube channel that's grown to at least 1,000 subscribers and you have a certain amount of watch time. And basically YouTube says, hey, you've hit the threshold where you have an audience and we will unlock AdSense, which is a way for you to get paid when people watch your video. So basically Google says, hey, we will pay you anywhere between $2 to $12 per CPM. A CPM is 1,000 impressions, or 1,000 views. So basically, if you have a channel, once it starts working and growing, every 1,000 views you get, you could get paid between $2 to $12 per CPM. And again, what unlocks this is we have to have your YouTube channel, but you also have AdSense, right? AdSense is like the platform that will then pay you money. So it's really cool and it's really exciting once this happens, because once you hit that first 1,000 subscribers and you hit the watch time amount that you need to hit, you basically say, hey, if I can get a certain amount of views, Google will pay me these dollars. And it's cool because you really do get a check from Google with the money that they owe you. They can do a direct deposit into your bank account, or they send you a check. And it's really cool once this finally starts working. So again, you need at least 1,000 subs or 4,000 watch hours to make this happen. This is the most popular form of making money on YouTube, but it's also like not the biggest lever for you. If you're gonna wanna make a lot of money, I think it's a good place to start, but you're not gonna make a huge living just based off AdSense alone. After that, you have these affiliate deals. If you have a product that you love to use, you can basically say, you can sign up to become an affiliate for that product. And if anybody watches your video, clicks on that link and purchases that product, you get a certain percentage of that sale. So I love to do extreme sports. I love snowboarding, I love wakeboarding, I love skateboarding, and I love the GoPro camera. I bought the camera. This is a really cool camera. It's unique. It's a great product. I'm shooting a lot of videos with it. I want to become an affiliate with it, so that when somebody watches these videos and they're like, hey, that's a cool camera, that's a cool angle, what camera did you use? I could say, I used a GoPro, here's a link that you can get your own, right? And so when people click on that link and they purchase it, I would get a percentage of that sale. So again, you could do affiliates with certain products that you like, as long as they have affiliate deals set up and structure set up. I know Amazon has a huge affiliate link too, where any product that you like on Amazon, you can include in your videos. And again, it's great, especially when you love a product already, that you can just talk about it forever. And it's a way for you to get money. So again, people will watch the video of you using the product. They'll click on it, and this may be a review, like a GoPro review, right? If they like it, they'll click on the link and they'll purchase it, and you get a cut of that sale. The third one that's really popular is brand deals. Our family started a YouTube channel. We grew it to almost 20,000 subscribers. Once we hit 10,000 YouTube subscribers, that's when we started getting people reaching out wanting to do brand deals with us, because now we had a significant size audience. We had some great content. And basically they're like, hey, we are doing a promotion and we want to reach people who have these types of audiences, and we will pay you a certain dollar amount to make a video talking about our product or service. So that's what we did with our family YouTube channel. We had a brand reach out like, hey, we were really wanting to sell this product. Will you use it? And we want to come. And they actually had a film crew come out, and they paid us to do a video with them. And it was a cool experience because it was like a high quality video. We got content for our YouTube channel, and then we were able to share that message, and then in turn, they got their message out to our audience, and eventually, I mean, ideally, sales come from that for them. With the brand deal, the bigger your YouTube channel gets, the more subscribers you see, the more brand deal opportunities will come your way, and especially if you know what your CPM value is, you'll be able to know what you can structure your brand deal at. So that's the brand deal is a great way to do that as well. And so it's nice when you're using these three methods with AdSense, with affiliates, and brand deals, you're kind of killing three birds with one stone, right? You're making money from the AdSense, you could make money from the affiliate deal, and also money from the brand deal. And the last one that I think will have the biggest impact for you to make money on YouTube is to sell a product or service. This is going to make the biggest impact for you, and I think especially with all the changes that come from YouTube with their algorithm changes. I know a lot of people that solely focused on AdSense or affiliate or brand deals, and when Google makes changes to their algorithm and all of a sudden people stop seeing your videos, then their income goes down again, right? If you have a product or a service that you can talk about, then you just make a more sustainable way of having your business grow. This is the case where, again, I know I have several friends that have less than 10,000 YouTube subscribers on their channel, and they're crushing it in business. They're making 7 figures. Why? Because they don't need a lot of views and subscribers for them to make money. They can make videos talking about the needs of their market and how their service or product can help them. And then from those videos, people will then go and purchase those products and purchase those services. And that's really where you have a business. Kind of going back to that first case study of how you have these YouTubers that have these huge subscriber amounts, millions of subscribers, but they're not able to pay rent. Really, they don't have a business. They have an audience that just watches all their content, but they don't have any business. They don't have a way to monetize that. I know for us specifically, we have both. We have a product or a service where people can watch these videos. I'm educating people on how YouTube ads work and how video marketing works. And great, if they want to engage with us and work with our agency or go through our program or our course, that's available too. But the purpose of this channel, these videos that we're making, is just to really help people and educate people on how video marketing works. And if they want to continue working with us or not, that's great. We win either way. So just to recap the 4 different types of making money on YouTube. You can monetize your YouTube channel. This is where you get paid through AdSense, where for every number of views you get a certain dollar amount. Number 2, you have the affiliates, where if you have a certain product that you like using, sign up for the affiliate program and you'll get a percentage of sales there. Number 3 is brand deals. Once your channel starts to get over 10,000 subs, people will start to reach out and be like, hey, can we pay you to make a video for us? You can structure it that way. And lastly, having a product or a service that you can sell on the back end. So those are the 4 ways to make money on YouTube. I hope this was helpful. I'm curious, what are you doing right now? Do you like the AdSense? Are you an affiliate? Have you gotten brand deals before? Drop a comment in below and let us know. I'd love to hear what's working for you. If you're still watching this video, I want to say thank you for your time and attention. And on this next video coming up, it's the YouTube ads tutorial. I'm going to show you how to correctly launch a YouTube ad campaign that will grow your business.